Any idiot can make money, or
Absolutely.
any criminal can make money.
Yes, I
But
agree
you
with
must
that.
be honest. Dishonesty diminishes a man.
You must learn. You must have a mentor.
You must be on top of your game at
Yes.
every point in time. You must see what is going on.
What is most amount of money you've made in a year?
More than 10 M. I read book very, very well. I
Can
read
you repeat
books.
that? Do you read books,
I
please?
don't joke with books.
If education is calm, then what is it that you want to go into? The thing is that education opens your eyes to so many things. But what I will tell them that get education, but get something doing. Because the era of white collar job is gone.
Did you start broke? Have you ever been broke?
Broke, broke have level. You understand? I work hard every time, never to go that broke.
You see, first of all, don't put making money at the forefront.
What do you think keep people poor?
Only thing that makes people very, very poor is being lazy. I believe that everybody can make it. Depends on the time to discover yourself. And again, one important thing is prayer. Pray until something happens.
Wow. So for those out there who wants to be successful one day and be wealthy, so what advice do you have to give them? Viable Vine, we are out in the streets again. We are in Roban stores in Enugu State, Nigeria. We are out to look for millionaires, business owners to seek their advice. If you haven't joined the family yet, hit the subscribe button. Come to the comment section and say, "Oh, I've joined," and I'm gonna come there and give you a hug. Don't miss out. If you want to be rich, you gotta subscribe, share this video, and like. I'm Shadrach by name from Viable Vine. We seek financial advice from successful people. So, is this your car?
Yes,
So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a civil engineer.
What value have kept you throughout this part of making money? So, what advice can you give to someone out there who has nothing and starting from zero and wants to be rich?
Yes, you see, first of all, don't put making money at the forefront. Okay, I'll give you an example. When I started work, then things were better. I was working with a company called Fujiro in those days. I came home with their project vehicle they gave me. So my
Yeah.
father said, "Who is the owner of this car?" I said, "It's the company, it's not mine." So he said, "They gave you this car to be working, to be doing the work for them." I said, "Yes." He said, "Then why are you bringing it home? You want to give the wrong impression that you have a car when you don't have. You have to be patient. Use this car for the purpose for which it is meant, which is to work for them. When you make more own money, you can now buy your own car, you bring it home, and I will congratulate you." So the thing is taking it step by step. People are not so much in a hurry, and the social media is not helping matters. They give the impression that you are not smart. Somebody was saying if you have a smartphone and you are not making 1 million naira in a month, are you? Is that what is this?
They are
What value
promoting
are we
their
teaching?
business. They are promoting.
They are promoting their own business. So,
Yeah.
but a lot of young people fall for it. They think that people like us who took time to make the money, build houses,
Are
marry, and
stupid.
then
Yeah.
set up,
Yeah.
that we're stupid. We're not smart. Your value system is very important. What is important to you? Is it that okay, I must make money? No, any idiot can make money, or
Absolutely.
any criminal can make money.
Yes. Now,
Yes,
I
but
agree
you
with
must
that.
be honest. Dishonesty diminishes a man.
Hmm.
So when you do business with somebody and he finds you worthy, he will do business with you. Like I am here and I don't look for work. I'll just be in my house and somebody will call me, "Tony, are you interested in this? Is what's going on?" I say, "Okay, let me see how it goes." I will go. That's integrity. And
Yes.
when you
Yes.
don't have it, you have lost everything. And then master your nothing you are doing, whatever
Craft.
you are doing, master your craft.
Yeah.
You understand? I started from first degree, two masters, a PhD, and then on site.
Yes.
So that is the
What do
thing.
you have to tell those that say that education is scam?
Education is not scam. If education is scam, then what is it that you want to go into? The thing is that education opens your eyes to so many things. But what I will tell them that get education, but get something doing. Because the era of white collar job is gone. When you want to acquire education that is relevant in our own environment.
Yeah.
Yes, you must be futuristic, in your approach to things.
Because in few years now,
Yes,
some jobs are
some
going to be
jobs are
lost.
going to be lost. Yes,
Yes.
someone was saying that even some such courses like medicine,
Yeah, professional courses.
professional courses. Yes, but the other thing is like me, I went into civil engineering because I know in developing countries there are so many things to.
Yeah.
Yeah, and again, you should try to have streams of income. Like me, I'm equally going into agriculture.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
I'm going into agriculture, serious
Wow.
agriculture. I plant cash crops. I go into animal husbandry, that's livestock
Yeah.
farming,
Yes. Yes.
plant trees. So that is the thing. You must be on top of your game at
Yes.
every point in time. You must see what is going on. Like when we graduated almost 30 something years ago, things were better. You understand?
Yes,
If
yes.
you graduate, you could get a job easily. In fact, I'll be on a job and they will be calling me another. I was working with Fujiro and the job beggar was calling me. You know, I had so many openings. They are not there now. Don't just wear a long tie and white shirt and hope that somebody you create jobs for yourself. There's so many things you can do.
Were you born into rich family? Did you start poor?
No, I was. I started from ground zero.
Damn. Damn.
I started from ground zero.
So what changed life? Like
What
what?
changed? What changed my life was that I was determined.
Hmm.
Having seen that, okay, you won't believe that as a youth cop, I was already training my younger ones.
As a
Yes,
youth.
as a youth copper.
Hmm.
That time, my allowance was 200 naira a month. I was already training my younger
Two
ones.
hundred naira.
200 naira. That was what they were paying. 1987, 88. Go and check. Verify.
This is
200 naira.
motivating. Yeah.
Yes, I was training my younger ones in school, and I knew I had nothing to go back on. A lot of time, people are docile because, well, at the end of the day, you still see food, but there was no food for me. In fact, by the time I graduated, they were all eyes were on me. Like, oh, now you're a graduate. Thank God. At the end of the day,
Yes.
and the journey to that level in life wasn't easy. So
Yeah.
it trained me to be resourceful, to be hardworking,
Yeah.
to be determined. Uh-huh.
Thank you for your time.
You're
You're a
welcome.
resourceful
My
man and
pleasure.
a great man.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
Eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
Take care
Yeah.
of yourself.
You too, sir. A minute. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Yeah, I'm Shedrag. A minute of your time. What we do is we get financial advice from successful people. Just one or two questions for you. Is this your car? Okay, what do you do for a living? How are you able to afford the car?
Okay, I install solar and I sell solar panels.
Okay, for how many years have you been doing this?
Been doing it for, let's just say, 10 years.
What is most amount of money you've made in a year?
I might have made almost more than 10 M.
So have you ever been broke before?
Of course, now.
I've been broke before.
Now.
Yeah. What's it gonna change your life? Like describe that your brokenness.
So it's just a motivation for me now. Like I just keep on going because there are some times whereby I'll be like so down, like I wouldn't even have even much money for the transportation as far as transportation to even take me to another place. Understand? But at least I withstood all those challenges through the help of my parents. I have siblings like yeah, that's family.
Wow. Your brokenness was a kind of motivation for you. So work harder. Wow. So for those out there who wants to be successful one day and be wealthy, so what advice do you have to give them?
And you just keep pushing now. Just believe.
Just keep pushing.
Yeah, just believe.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate your time. You're a good person, man. Thank you.
I studied computer engineering, so I'm a software developer.
How many years have you been doing this?
Starting since 2016.
Did you start broke? Have you ever been broke?
Broke, broke have level. You understand? I work hard every time, never to go that broke. So that's why I advise my young youth: discover who you are, discover your talent, develop and maximize your skills. You cannot sit at your home or sit at your comfort home of your father and your parents and want them to be feeding you every time. So if you are saying thank you, ma, thank you, sir. Right from the time, maximize my skill by business. I started breeding broilers, 20 pieces of broilers
That's crazy.
at the early stage.
That's
And
crazy.
inside that 20 broilers, I have one casualty because it was 21, extra one for the carton. I had one casualty. So the 20 survived soundly. That's when I started knowing that, yes, the line of business will eventually favor me. I have to work hard to maximize the poultry. From 20, I enter 50, from 50,
Are you
100.
saying this now?
That was then. When I now made some money, I use it to maximize my skills in that area of professionalization, which is software development and financial trading.
Yes.
So now I can be able at least to teach person how to write code, how to
Wow, you
trade
write code
financial
too.
market. Yes, I write
Wow,
code.
wow.
So how to trade financial markets
Yes.
and know about the economy. Experience is the best teacher. So you have to take the risk of knowing what you are entering into
Yes.
before you study the basic. Once you study it and the thing runs into your blood, you will know the one that is scam or the one that is not
Yes.
scam. So you
Yes.
have to enter inside there, learn it,
Take the risk. Yeah.
take the risk, learn the basic, intermediate, and advanced classes of
Mm.
it. You must learn. You must have a mentor.
Yeah, do you study? Do you read book like
Yeah, I
sometimes?
don't use book. I read book very, very well. I
Can you
read
repeat
books.
that? Do you read books?
I
Please?
don't joke with books.
So what about books do you read?
I read motivational books like Psychology of Wealth.
Hey!
Sometimes I read 48 Laws of Power to guide my knowledge and the
Robert
power.
Kiyosaki.
Yeah,
No,
Robert
Robert
Kiyosaki.
Green.
Yeah, Robert Greene.
Yeah.
I love reading books, reading articles,
No,
because sometimes it will enlighten your brains.
just people think it's just irrelevant. You are wasting your time by reading. What do you think keep people poor?
The only thing that makes people very, very poor is being lazy. I believe that everybody can make it. Depends on the time you discover yourself.
You keep
You
saying this.
understand? Yes. If
Very
you
important.
some people discover themselves early stage, that's why you see a young guy becoming a millionaire at the early 20s.
Yes, yes.
Why some people discover themselves at the middle age, some people discover themselves at late age. Depends on the circle of people around you. So there are some people you mingle with, they will draw you back. And again, one important thing is prayer. Pray until something happens. It's
They're
either
either
you are
cold.
cold or you are hot.
Correct. You can't be in the
You
middle.
cannot be in the middle. Be hot in prayer, pray until something happens. While you are praying, don't just feel that prayer can do miracle upon miracle. You have to wake up and still work hard. Still work hard. And then add the back it up with prayer. And now you see a better result.
Yes.
I personally call it product of grace.
Right.
You understand me?
Yes.
So
People can just believe in praying and praying
no,
without
no, no,
action.
no, no, no.
Are you seeing it? That is the
You
problem.
pray, and then add your hard working.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Share your thoughts. Which of the millionaires connected well with you? Thank you very much.